Hey! I'm gonna follow my head. You turn now. Wait a minute. We're gonna luto our head. Lulutuin natin head natin. Let's it go. Namatay na daw guys. What happened guys to my eye? What happened? I don't know. Ulit natin. Okay. Dito ulit. Dito ulit. We're gonna luto ulit. Napuhi ulit daw tayo. Wait up! I hate my pencil. I hate mom. Daddy, tingnan mo. Daddy, tingnan mo.